Finding what you're looking for in this Miele Undercounter fridge is really simple because you can easily see everything you've got in there. It gives you great visibility across every shelf with illumination that reaches every corner thanks to the LED lighting. With LEDs, you get a light that lasts longer, so you won't need to worry about replacing it for a long while, and it's more efficient. It cuts down on running costs, giving you a performance that's more efficient with an A++ energy rating. Keeping the inside sparkling clean is made really easy by Comfort Clean, which lets you pop the shelves in the dishwasher.